The egg. Look at the egg. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Treasure. Thank you for watching and happy Boxing Day. I want to box with Snails today. So in today's video, I want to clean snail. I want to show you guys how to clean snails. So here are my snails. So guys, what I want to use and clean my snail is alum. I have my alum here. You can also use lime, you can use lemon, you can use gari, and while using alum you will use salt first to remove the slimy. Just make sure you watch this video till the end so that you will see how I'm going to clean my snail. Okay, so I'm going to use so guys, this is hammer. I'm going to use hammer to puncture the bottom of the snail and then bring it out without breaking the shell. You see, this is how to bring it out without breaking the shell. Something. So this one is difficult to bring it out. I'm going to break it. I'm done bringing it out from the shell. Now I'm going to remove the intestine. Look at this one as laid egg. Look at the egg. Wow. Look at the egg. So now let me remove it. Okay, so now I'm going to add salt and wash it. This might help me. Salt. So this is salt. Now I'm going to wash. See? So before you wash your snail with alum or lemon, you have to wash with salt first. To wash it. This is my hand. Now let's add water. Then I also cut this thing that is black here, this black stuff here. I'll cut it off. Guys, this is the simplest way of cleaning snail and very easy. You can see it is very easy. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.